AI in education, striking the balance between help and cheating. Imagine having a study partner that works 24/7, never complains, and has all the answers. Sounds perfect, right? But here's the twist. Can this partner help you learn, or is it just doing the work for you? Today, we're diving into the world of AI in education, exploring how to use it responsibly and effectively, with some laughs along the way. Welcome to NeuralNet Academy. In this video, we're tackling one of the biggest questions in modern education. How can students use AI as a powerful study tool without crossing the line into academic dishonesty? AI is transforming how we learn, offering incredible opportunities for growth. But it's also raising ethical concerns about effort, originality, and integrity. But hey, don't worry, this isn't a lecture. We'll keep things light, fun, and filled with practical tips you can actually use. Let's get started. The promise of AI in education. How can AI personalize learning for students? AI uses algorithms to adapt to your learning pace and style. If you struggle with algebra but breeze through geometry, it adjusts the difficulty level to suit your needs. It's like a tutor that knows you better than you know yourself, minus the awkward silences. What types of challenges can AI help simplify, and how does it adapt to individual needs? AI excels at simplifying complex topics. Picture this, you're staring at quantum physics like it's hieroglyphics. AI breaks it down into bite-sized chunks, using analogies and visuals to make even the toughest concepts manageable. Over time, it ups the ante as you grow more confident. In what ways can AI help students manage their time and workload more effectively? AI tools like scheduling apps or task organizers can help you stay on track. It prioritizes tasks, nudges you with reminders, and even suggests breaks. Think of it as your productivity coach, except it doesn't yell at you if you're late. Can AI truly replace the need for human organizational skills, or does it act as a complement? AI doesn't replace your skills, it enhances them. It's great at automating repetitive tasks like sorting notes or planning study schedules, freeing your brain for creative thinking. It's teamwork at its finest. You dream big, AI handles the details. What are some examples of AI being used successfully in education? Think about AI-powered language apps like Duolingo or platforms that tutor students in math. These tools help millions learn effectively and at their own pace, proving that AI can make education more accessible. How can AI help students with specific subjects or interdisciplinary projects? AI can act as a translator for complex subjects, connecting ideas across fields. For instance, it can help you see how physics principles apply to music or how coding solves environmental issues. The ethical dilemma: when does help become cheating? What are some real-world examples of using AI ethically versus unethically in education? Using AI to generate essay ideas or practice questions. Ethical: copy-pasting answers from AI into your homework? Not so much. The difference lies in whether you're learning or just outsourcing your brain. How can students recognize when they're relying too much on AI? Here's a test. If you can't explain the material without AI's help, you've crossed into over-reliance. Remember, AI is your assistant, not your academic stunt double. What skills might students lose if they over-rely on AI? Overusing AI can stunt your critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. These are the superpowers that make you irreplaceable in a world of automation. How does academic dishonesty involving AI impact a student's future career and personal development? Beyond bad grades, dishonesty robs you of confidence and competence. Employers value integrity and self-reliance, qualities you develop when you tackle challenges head-on. How can schools and educators ensure AI use is fair and doesn't widen existing inequalities? By providing equal access to AI tools and educating students on their responsible use, schools can level the playing field. AI literacy should be part of the curriculum. A balanced approach, ethical and effective use of AI. What strategies ensure students remain in control of their learning while using AI? Use AI to refine your work, not define it. For example, brainstorm essay ideas with AI, but make the arguments your own. It's a partnership, not a dictatorship. How can AI assist with brainstorming and organization without taking over critical thinking tasks? AI can suggest outlines or spark ideas, but you should flesh out the details. Think of it as providing the scaffolding, you build the structure. What are common errors AI might make in providing information? AI isn't infallible. It can oversimplify, misinterpret, or even make up facts. Always cross-check with credible sources. How can questioning AI outputs improve a student's analytical skills? Challenging AI's answers sharpens your ability to evaluate information critically. It's like mental weightlifting, except the dumbbells are logic and skepticism. How can students and educators work together to set boundaries for AI use? Open dialogue about AI's role in assignments can help set clear guidelines. Collaborative discussions lead to better understanding and trust. Practical guidelines for responsible AI use. How can students use AI tools to improve their understanding of a subject? AI can summarize dense material, create flashcards, or provide step-by-step explanations. These tools clarify concepts, helping you build a solid foundation. How does shifting the mindset from replacing to enhancing learning affect outcomes? When you focus on enhancing, you stay engaged and retain knowledge better. The goal is understanding, not shortcuts. Why is transparency in AI use important, and how can students approach this with their teachers? Honesty about AI use fosters trust. If you're upfront about how AI helped you, educators are more likely to view it as a tool rather than a crutch. How does focusing on the process of learning contribute to long-term success? The process of learning teaches resilience and adaptability. Embracing the struggle makes the eventual aha moment that much sweeter. How can responsible AI use shape global education trends? If used wisely, AI can democratize education, making high-quality learning tools accessible to students worldwide. The future of AI and education. How are schools adjusting to the increasing role of AI in education? Many schools now include AI literacy in their curriculums. They are teaching students how to use these tools responsibly while setting boundaries to prevent misuse. What guidelines are emerging to ensure AI is a learning aid rather than a crutch? Policies emphasize transparency and skill building, ensuring students use AI to support learning, not replace it. What advancements in AI might further impact how students learn? Imagine AI that gives real-time feedback on your work or adapts to your learning quirks like a personal trainer for your brain. The possibilities are endless. How can educators and students prepare for a future where AI asks better questions rather than just giving answers? The key is fostering curiosity. If AI becomes better at posing thought-provoking questions, students must be ready to explore, experiment, and engage deeply with those challenges. AI has the potential to revolutionize education, but it's not a magic wand, it's a tool, and like any tool, its value depends on how you use it. So here's the challenge. Embrace AI's power, but don't let it overshadow your effort and curiosity. True learning happens when you engage, explore, and grow. Thanks for watching NeuralNet Academy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and and share your thoughts in the comments. How do you see yourself using AI responsibly? Let us know.